Sherwin-Williams carries a full line of Mighty M pressure washers that will tackle all your cleaning jobs better and faster. Whether you are cleaning around your home or you're a contractor on a job site, you will find the right pressure washer for your needs at Sherwin-Williams. Mighty M categorizes their pressure washers as light duty, medium duty, or contractor duty. The Sherwin-Williams light duty pressure washer is ideal for the do-it-yourselfer when cleaning around the home. It works great for 2 to 5 hours per week, cleaning your deck, gutters, siding, and patio furniture. The Mighty M Medium Duty Chore Master and Work Pro Series pressure washers can be used 5 to 10 hours per week on applications such as surface preparation and removal of mold, mildew, and light stains from concrete. The Mighty M Contractor Duty Job Pro Series pressure washers are rated at 10 to 30 hours per week. Contractors use these pressure washers for paint preparation, concrete and brickwork, heavy-duty mold and mildew removal, and large deck and surface restoration. How do you choose which pressure washer is right for you? When purchasing a pressure washer, there are key factors to consider: cleaning units, engine hour rating, pump hour rating, and warranty. Cleaning units are important because the higher the cleaning units, the faster you can clean. Multiply your PSI times GPM to give you a total number of cleaning units. Let's compare the Mighty M ChoreMaster 3200 pressure washer from the medium duty category to the Mighty M Job Pro 4000 from the contractor category. The ChoreMaster 3200 gives you 3200 PSI at 2.4 GPM for a total of 7,680 cleaning units. The Mighty M Contractor Duty Job Pro 4000 Direct Drive delivers 4,000 PSI at 3.5 GPM for a total of 14,000 cleaning units. As you can see, the Contractor Duty 4000 pressure washer will clean almost twice as fast because you have nearly double the cleaning units. Time is money. The engine hour rating tells you the life expectancy of the engine powering your pressure washer, which is important when considering how often you will be running the machine. For example, a 750-hour design can be found on the light-duty pressure washer series. A 2,000-hour design can be found on some medium-duty and all contractor-duty units. The pump hour rating estimates the life expectancy of the pump delivering the water used for cleaning. For example, a light-duty pressure washer, typically used 2 to 5 hours per week, features an axial piston pump which has the lowest hour rating of 400. The medium-duty pressure washer features a crank-driven pump with a rating of 1,000 hours and designed to run 5 to 10 hours a week, while the contractor duty, featuring the same style of pump, has a rating of 2,000 hours, designed to run 10 to 30 hours a week. When purchasing a pressure washer, you also want to consider what kind of warranty is offered. The contractor duty pressure washers have a longer warranty than the light and medium duty models on the 3 major components shown. For help choosing the right pressure washer for your needs, stop by your local Sherwin-Williams store and pick up a selection guide and talk to the professionals.